Hey babes, welcome back to another video. It's Chanel Morris here, and if you haven't already, become part of my family and press that subscribe button down below, okay? And don't forget to like and share this video if you do like this flawless makeup look. If you want to recreate this look, continue watching. I went ahead and I primed my face with my Milk Hydro Primer and let that sit for about a minute. Now I'm going to start on my brows. So for my brows, don't come for me because, you know, they're not done. So they're a little bit bushy at the moment. But I'm going to go in with my Anastasia Dip Brow, and this is in the color Ebony. I always put my dip brow on my hand like that so it doesn't come out a little bit dark on my eyebrows. So I start out like that. Now I'm gonna go in with my Too Faced Born This Way concealer, and this is in Chestnut. I'm gonna use it to highlight my brows. And I'm doing the same thing like I did with my dip brow. I'm just putting it on my wrist so I'm able to control the amount that's going on my eyebrows. And because this is a natural look, I am definitely not gonna go on the top of my brows with my concealer. I'm gonna do it with my foundation. So the foundation that I use, it's the Born This Way Too Faced brand, and this color is in Cocoa. These brows are definitely sisters, they ain't twins. So I recently purchased this Fenty Beauty Brow MVP, and it's a brow wax. So I'm gonna try it on this look to have that like kind of natural spiky kind of brow look. So let me know what you think of it. It's gonna be my second time trying it, so let's see. Now I'm going in with my spoolie to even out those hairs. Okay, Rihanna, do our thing. I like it, I like it, I like it a lot. That bushy brow look is working for me, you know? So now that my brows are done, I'm gonna go in with my LA Girl Pro Concealer Corrector in orange. So as you can tell, I do have a little bit of dark spots on around my mouth area. So I'm gonna correct those with my Pro Concealer. So I'm correcting with a little bit at a time because a little goes a long way with the corrector. Therefore, I don't overpower my skin tone with the corrector instead of when I do put my foundation on top. Now I'm gonna go in with my excess concealer that I had on my hand and prep my eyelids. Now to set my concealer, I'm going in with my Mercier loose translucent powder in the color medium deep. This is an everyday look, so I am working with only 2 shadows today, and they're gonna be fairly skin tone browns, nudes, colors, because I want my face to look matte but also have this little glow to it as well. To do so, I'm going in with my Morphe 25C palette, and this palette is discontinued. So if you do have a Morphe palette or a palette that you already have in your makeup kit that is similar to a nude color, you can always use it as your transition eyelid color, okay? So I am going in with this color. First, I do have to spray my brush, my eyeshadow brush, with my Morphe setting spray. The second shade that I'm going to go in with is a tad bit of a lighter brown, and it's going to be this color. I'm using a different brush, so let's spray that again. And this is going on my lid. So the first color was a transition color for my crease, and this color is for my lid. This is a very matte look. Those are the only 2 eyeshadows I'll be using for today. So now that my lids are done, let's go to my face. Now it's time for my foundation. I'm gonna go in back with my Born This Way Too Faced foundation in the shade Cocoa. And did my lashes off camera. Now I'm going to highlight my face with my Born This Way Too Faced concealer and the same chestnut shade. And I'm gonna spray my beauty blender with my Morphe setting spray. Now I'm going in with my Matchstick by Fenty Beauty, and this shade is in Espresso. If you don't know my trick, now you know. This saves me a lot of time and also a lot of blending effort. Now I'm gonna go in with my Mercier translucent powder in medium deep, and I'm just going to apply this all over my face. As you can see, I start here and then I make my way all over my face. So a majority of the powder is going to be right here where my concealer is. and this helps me create a very matte face. Now that my setting powder is on, I'm going in with my Milk mascara, and that's gonna be for my bottom lashes. So you can see the difference. Mascara, no mascara. As you can see, my face came together quite nice, and to pull it in, I'm just gonna go in with my Fenty Beauty lip gloss, and this is Fenty Glow. And you can't complete a look without setting spray. So I'm gonna go in with my Morphe setting spray one more time to pull it all together, and here we go. And that's it, y'all. And that brings me to the end of my vlog. I want to thank you guys for watching. Thank you for tuning in again to another vlog, and I hope you like this look. If you do end up trying it, don't forget to tag me on Instagram at Chanel Morris, and I will definitely see how amazing you guys did. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. And I will see you in my next video.